Hi class. So today we're looking at adding using place value. So we've learned about the ones, the tens, the hundreds place. Well, it's very important that when you add these up, you put them in the correct place and line up each number. So 527 plus 389. The 7 and the 9 are both in the ones column, so they'll be over top of each other. I'm going to show you two different ways of how we can add these together. The first one is kind of just an old-fashioned way of doing it, where we go 7 plus 9, so that's going to equal 16. So if you look up here, you have 7 plus 9, and that's going to equal 16. Notice I did the 6 in orange to represent the ones place. So down here, it's going to be 16, but because this is like saying 10 plus 6, this 10 is going to go over to the tens place. So we're going to put that up there. So then we have 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So this is like saying 10 plus 20 plus 80. So that's going to equal 110. Right, so the 0 there, the 1 is here, so this is going to be a 1 here, and then we're going to carry 1 because it's 110 over to the next column. And so then this is like saying 100 plus 500 plus 300, and that's going to equal 900. So 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1, 2, 3 is 9. 916. So if you take what we had here and looked at each one, you can see that it's 900 plus 10 plus 6. Right? So that's the 6 here, the 10 here, and then the 900 here. So I hope that explains a little bit better your understanding of why we carry these numbers over. So now we're going to look at more than one digit and adding them together. So we'll want to line up 28. So I'm going to keep with my color scheme just right now. My 8 is in the ones column, my 2 is in the ones column, my 4 is in the ones column, and my 1 is in the ones column. In my tens column, tens place, we have 20, 2 tens, 20. We have a 4, 4 tens, another 4, 4 groups of 10, and another 2, 2 groups of 10. In our hundreds place, we have a 1 and a 2. So we have one group of 100 and we have 2 groups of 100. So when we add those together, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, we take the 5 and we carry the 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Take the 3, carry the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 435. Our numbers are getting a little bit bigger here. Once again, the most important thing is that you just line them up correctly. We have a 3, an 8, a 1, and a 4. You certainly could write it all out, especially if you're using the same color. 3, 7, 0. 4, 1, 1. 8,433, 178, 1,101 plus 4. Add my ones together. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 7 is 11. Carry the 1. 5, 6, 7, and 9. Try to do the next one on your own. Come back to me and check your work. If you got 50,424, you are correct.